When it comes to enhancing your home's curb appeal and interior design, every detail matters. One of the most impactful changes you can make is upgrading your windows. Among the numerous window options available, Windows Mesa stands out as a fantastic choice for homeowners who want to elevate their home's aesthetic while reaping numerous other benefits. From its sleek design to the impressive functionality, installing Windows Mesa can transform your home into a more stylish and comfortable sanctuary. Aesthetic appeal. The primary advantage of Windows Mesa is the sheer elegance it brings to your home. The sleek, modern design of these windows can dramatically enhance the look of both traditional and contemporary homes. Available in a variety of styles, such as casement, double hung, and sliding, Windows Mesa allows for a custom fit to match your unique preferences. Whether you're looking for windows that blend seamlessly with your home's existing architectural elements or you want to make a bold statement, you can trust that Windows Mesa will complement your style. The clean, contemporary lines of the windows give any room an upgraded feel. Their minimalist frames create a sleek, uncluttered look, making spaces feel more open and airy. These windows work well with any interior, whether you prefer a cozy, traditional decor or a more cutting-edge, modern vibe. Maximizing natural light. Another key benefit of Windows Mesa is their ability to allow more natural light into your home. The large, expansive glass panels that often come with these windows let in an abundance of daylight, brightening up your space without the need for artificial lighting. This can make your home feel warmer and more inviting. Moreover, maximizing natural light has been shown to have positive effects on both mood and productivity. Sunlight can help regulate your circadian rhythm, boosting your energy levels and promoting better sleep at night. Whether you're working from home or just relaxing, the increased natural light provided by Windows Mesa will make your living spaces feel more pleasant and energized. Improved energy efficiency. While the aesthetic qualities of Windows Mesa are certainly impressive, these windows also offer significant functional benefits. One of the most notable advantages is their energy efficiency. Designed with advanced insulating technology, Windows Mesa helps to regulate the temperature within your home by keeping hot air out during the summer and retaining heat in the winter. This thermal insulation not only ensures that your home stays more comfortable year-round, but it can also reduce your heating and cooling costs. By investing in energy-efficient windows, you're making a long-term commitment to lowering your utility bills while contributing to a more eco-friendly household. The energy savings alone make Windows Mesa a smart choice for homeowners who want both beauty and practicality. Noise reduction. And another important consideration when choosing new windows is noise reduction. Windows Mesa excels in this area, offering excellent soundproofing capabilities. Their advanced ceiling technology helps block out external noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Whether you live in a busy neighborhood, near a busy street, or in an area with lots of outdoor noise, these windows can make a noticeable difference in reducing the amount of sound that enters your home. This added benefit can be particularly valuable for bedrooms or home offices, where peace and quiet are essential for rest and concentration. By minimizing disruptive noise, Windows Mesa enhances your home's comfort and livability, making it a more enjoyable space for everyday activities. Low maintenance and durability. Homeowners often worry about the maintenance required to keep their windows looking pristine. Thankfully, Windows Mesa is built with low-maintenance materials that require minimal care. The frames are designed to resist fading, cracking, and peeling, meaning you won't have to spend your weekends repainting or fixing them. Furthermore, the materials used in Windows Mesa are durable and long-lasting, providing an excellent return on your investment. The windows are resistant to the elements, including extreme weather, and will maintain their appearance and functionality for many years to come. This means less hassle for you and a more aesthetically pleasing home for the long term. In conclusion, Windows Mesa offers a perfect blend of style, functionality, and energy efficiency. With their ability to enhance your home's aesthetic, maximize natural light, reduce noise, and improve overall comfort, these windows are an excellent investment for any homeowner looking to elevate their living space. Whether you're remodeling or simply updating your windows, installing Windows Mesa will not only improve your home's exterior look but also create a more inviting, energy-efficient environment inside.